We keep asking whether we're alone in the universe, but here's the inconvenient truth. Statistically, it would be bizarre if we were alone. Let me show you the numbers, and they're telling a different story. Start with what we know. We've confirmed over 6,000 exoplanets. Out of those, roughly 70 qualify as potentially habitable. This gives you a bit more than 1%, a tiny sample, a microscopic fraction of the sky. Now scale up. Our Milky Way packs 100 to 400 billion stars. Based on current research, roughly 20–50% of Sun-like stars could host an Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone. Studies find even 1.5–2.5 detectable planets per star. However, observational data from Kepler and follow-up shows over 80–100% of stars likely have at least one planet. Let's assume conservatively the lower bound, one planet per star. That alone gives you 1 to 4 billion potentially habitable planets just in our galaxy. Now zoom out. Not 100 galaxies, not 1,000,000. The observable universe contains up to 2 trillion galaxies. Even if each galaxy had only a fraction of ours, say just 10 billion stars, and the same conservative 1% rate applies, you're staring at 200 quintillion potentially habitable planets. That's a 1 with 20 zeros. A number so large that if every planet were a grain of sand, you could fill entire oceans with them. Even if every human on Earth counted a planet per second non-stop, you'd need 800 years to get through the list. So the real question isn't, are we alone? Mathematically, that ship has sailed. And maybe somewhere and someone out there is asking the same question, and yet we don't know. The real question is whether we're smart enough, fast enough, or lucky enough to detect even one of the billions of worlds that could be quietly running their own version of life right now.